Hi guys, so I want to show you how to install QGIS. As everything, it begins with Google. Just write QGIS. When you go down here, you have the download now button. Usually you will want to install the latest version, but if you're interested at a different version, sometimes the installation doesn't work. So you go to all releases, and these are the releases. Let's say the release you've just seen is 3.26, and this is the latest version installation. Now by clicking you will download the installation file, which takes some time, so we'll wait a few moments. So the download was completed. Just click the installation file and the process begins. Some user agreements, accept. This might be a long process, but that's the installation. So once the process is finished, you should be able to come here and just QGIS. It takes a few seconds, but the software will open, and there you are, fresh install of QGIS. I think we're done here.